Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our third-degree assault defense lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with a third-degree assault in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your third-degree assault charge. Contact one of our Missouri third-degree assault defense lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all third-degree assault defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our third-degree assault defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Third-degree assault defense lawyers in Missouri. Being charged with third-degree assault in Missouri may seem like a minor offense, but it's not. A conviction can lead to jail time, a criminal record, and serious damage to your reputation, career, and family life. Combs Waterkotte's Missouri assault defense and criminal defense lawyers know how to fight violent crime charges head-on and help you protect your future. What is third-degree assault in Missouri? Under Section 565.054 Revised Statutes of Missouri, you commit third-degree assault in Missouri if you knowingly cause physical injury to another person. According to Missouri law, knowingly means you were aware your actions were practically certain to cause harm. Physical injury includes pain, illness, or any visible bodily harm such as bruises, swelling, cuts, or soreness. In most cases, third-degree assault is charged after a fight, argument, or altercation where someone ends up with even a minor injury. It doesn't require serious harm or use of a weapon, only that you knowingly caused pain or injury. In summary, third-degree assault is a felony-level charge that applies when someone is hurt, and prosecutors believe you knew your actions would cause that harm. The injury may be minor, but the consequences are not. How is third-degree assault different from second or fourth degree? Second-degree assault under Section 565.052 involves serious injuries or reckless conduct with weapons and is charged as a more severe felony. Fourth-degree assault under Section 565.056 includes threats, minor contact, or attempted harm without injury, and is usually a misdemeanor. Third-degree assault sits in the middle, a felony charge based on knowingly causing even minor pain or injury, no weapon or serious harm required. What are the penalties for third-degree assault in Missouri? Can you go to jail for third-degree assault in St. Louis? Yes, under Missouri law. Third-degree assault is a Class E felony. That means you could face up to 4 years in prison and a fine of up to $10,000. Even if you avoid prison time, a felony conviction can come with probation, court-ordered treatment, a permanent criminal record, and serious damage to your personal and professional life. Judges in St. Louis County and City often consider alternatives like SIS, suspended imposition of sentence. No conviction if you complete probation successfully. SES, suspended execution of sentence. Conviction entered but jail time is suspended. Probation or diversion programs depending on your history and the facts of the case. In addition to jail time and fines, a third-degree assault conviction can lead to a permanent felony record that shows up on background checks, loss of firearm rights under state and federal law, difficulty securing employment, housing, or professional licensing. Family court consequences, including custody or visitation issues. Immigration consequences for non-citizens. In summary, a single argument or mistake can result in a felony record, even if you don't spend time behind bars. Don't assume a third-degree assault charge will just go away. The consequences can follow you for life. What are legal defenses to third-degree assault in Missouri? Just because you've been charged doesn't mean you'll be convicted. There are multiple ways to defend against a third-degree assault allegation, especially if the facts are unclear, the injury was minor, or the alleged victim has changed their story. Common defenses include self-defense. You were protecting yourself or someone else from harm. Mutual combat. Both parties agreed to or participated in the altercation. Accidental injury. The injury was not the result of knowing conduct. No credible evidence, no witnesses, no video, or inconsistent statements. False accusation. The charge was made out of anger, revenge, or manipulation. In summary, an experienced saint. Lewis' assault lawyer will investigate the facts, challenge weak evidence, and fight to get your charge reduced or dismissed entirely. Common examples of third-degree assault in Missouri. Third-degree assault charges don't just depend on what happened, they depend on how prosecutors interpret your intent and the outcome. Below are examples of how everyday conflicts are treated as felonies based on what the state believes you knew or intended to do. Prosecutor's theory. You knowingly caused injury during an emotional outburst. You escalated a heated argument into physical violence. You acted out in frustration, and someone got hurt. You used force in a situation where it wasn't legally justified. You caused visible harm and didn't try to walk away. Missouri case example. Threw a phone at a partner, causing a cut above the eye. Punched someone in a bar after a shouting match. Tossed a remote across the room and hit your roommate. Shoved a neighbor during a fence line argument. Slapped a classmate during a fight, leaving bruising. Why you can't risk a third-degree assault conviction in St. Louis. A felony assault conviction can stay on your record forever. It could cost you job offers, housing, gun rights, or even custody in a family court case. Prosecutors may treat third-degree assault as low-level, but the long-term damage is very real. Our team works to get charges dismissed, reduced, or resolved without a conviction. We help Missouri clients beat third-degree assault charges. We've handled thousands of assault cases across St. Louis County, St. Louis City, and surrounding courts. Whether you were defending yourself or caught in a misunderstanding, we know how to investigate the facts, negotiate with prosecutors, and protect your record. Your side of the story matters, and we're here to make sure it's heard. Contact a Missouri third-degree assault lawyer today. The sooner you act, the more options you may have. At Combs Waterkotte, we offer aggressive defense with compassion and urgency. Call 314-900-HELP or contact us online for a free confidential consultation with a St. Louis assault attorney who knows how to fight and win in local courts.